President, Mr. Dev, Edo Kitchen. So many memories are flooding my mind. I don't know where to start from. The first thing is that I remember around 2 years back when we came here, Devana had not more hair on his head than it is just now. And I am single-handedly responsible for all the loss of hair. So, you may not be happy, but he is the most relieved person in the audience today, in the gathering. So, I will miss him. Converse is not true. But all my assertive utterances were not aimed at him, but behind him the failure or apathy of the administration. And he is noble enough to understand and demarcate between personal aggression and unhappiness about certain events. If I have to describe this place in one simple expression, it is you fascinate me. This place fascinates me. The moment we put our foot here, the first step to the last we will take in a short while from now, every aspect of this place is fascinating. This place is so unique for a number of reasons. This is where the mountains meet the plains. This is where forests and rivers coexist with human beings. This is where people live in harmony with nature. And this is a place where the amalgam of the local indigenous culture with the migrant Bengali culture has brought about a unique cultural formation which is not visible anywhere else in the country. The food, the language, the customs, the clothing. Not once we have asked our cook to prepare anything different from what he knows best. Years back, this is Chattopadhyay, this is Sonal would all bear me out that in the Tripura High Court Foundation Day celebration, we had given entire responsible task of conducting the event of a day and a half to 3 young lawyers. The entire preparations were there. We had just guided them. Done nothing more than just defining what they had prepared. And we had also given the task of summing up the sessions. So what they had prepared was hard work and preparation. What they had to sum up was extempore and required thinking on the feet. And I'm glad to say that they brilliantly responded to all our expectations. What I'm trying to say is, give them more opportunities, they will shine out. To the youngsters, I may say, I understand there are limited opportunities. And therefore it is easy to get frustrated. But with your time, be ready. The economy of the country is expanding. And our state is bound to benefit out of this process. The more litigation will come, more commercial litigation will come, your time will come. But if your time comes and you are not ready, you will not have time then to get started getting prepared. So be ready now, put in hard work, be sincere, listen to your seniors, and your time will come. I would end with saying only one thought. Your destiny and your pride. Upadhyay told me that actually if you want to really know the culture of the place, try its cuisine. That tell you a lot about the place itself. And though we could not appreciate 80% of the food because it was non-vegetarian, whatever little we could and we were fascinated by it. And we are in love with the place. The people, the language, the art, the music, the culture, and more than anything else, we have learned so much about a part of this country we had no idea. Had it not been this opportunity, we do not know whether you would have visited this state one, or even if you have visited, you would have been like a tourist. And as a tourist in a week or 10 days, you learn nothing about the place. So, we are going back with fondest memories. And dare say, going back as people better than what we have come here with. This place has taught us humility, this place has taught us surviving in adversity and difficulties. And if anything, we have gained a lot from this place, and thanks to all of you, we are carrying fondest memories of the last 2 years of our lives. Sometimes when a person is sent to a remote place very far from home, it may be either intentionally or otherwise thought that we will be very unhappy. But we are the happiest people and we had the happiest time of our lives. And we owe it to every person present here for making our 23 months of life so blissful. I have often failed myself in controlling my impatience. And I would like to apologize to each one of you. I have no excuses to offer, I have only unconditional apology to offer. The only time when I do not regret being impatient is when I find youngsters not being impatient about improvement. When I do not see youngsters being impatient and hungry for improvement, I get impatient, and that's one area where I do not regret. I have tried to see that the youngsters get their due, get their opportunities, and most of the times they have responded brilliantly. It's always in your hand. Never give the right to anybody else to make you unhappy or allow anybody else to harm your dignity. आपकी तकदीर और आपका वजूद हमेशा आपके हाथ में है. I'm leaving to this place with a fondest set of memories, with the dignity of my position and my family intact, and our pride held high. Our heads will always remain high. Independence of judiciary is the most important element of a successful democracy. And to have independent judiciary, we need a strong bar. If the judges go wrong, who will correct them? If the bar is weak, if the bar is pliant, if the bar is not vigilant, the judiciary will go astray and there will be nobody to correct them. I always try to instill that confidence, that independence in the bar, and I hope, as the Advocate General said, this process continues.
Time. So the huge gathering that also speaks of the popularity of his Lordship of the celebration. My Lord was saying that his Lordship will be coming back after 5 years. I would be expecting that his Lordship will be coming back after 5 years.
Tripura. Mr. P.K. Dhar, Senior Advocate, to Wednesday, Justice.
Of bamboo. Thank you so much. Love it. It's beautiful.
have our Lokalyukta also here today present amidst us. Senior members of the bar, brothers and sisters of the bar. Am I audible or audible?
It's better to speak without mic.
I think that's better. This is better. Okay. My brothers and sisters in the bar, learned members of the registry, Mr. Datamon Jamatia, our Registrar General, the younger ones and the budding ones. This High Court has seen Chief Justices both before it was a permanent High Court of Tripura, and after it was christened as the High Court of Tripura. But I think you have single-handedly tried to nurture the yoga elements of bar in your own unique way. Today, when you take a new assignment by leaving your post here, the younger members of the bar will remember you more than us. You have tried each and every moment to nurture them. I have seen when a young lawyer comes to mention a matter before you, you have tried to comfort them, tried to tell him or her that you also had one day started your career like that. So don't be afraid. Don't have shaking knees. Come out. What is the matter about? What do you want to say? Have you read the brief? Where is your brief? If he or she doesn't have the brief, you are not scolded. They were told, next time you come with the brief and come prepared. And he assured, if you are mentioning a matter on behalf of your senior, and I make you argue that matter, be sure, if I want to pass any adverse order, you don't have to answer back to your senior. I will call your senior, hear it, then only I will do it. This was most gracious of you, my lord. Justice delivery system does not start and stop at just enunciating the black and whites of paper. It's not just delivering whatever is written in the statute book. We have got a sort of undivided family of bench and bar in a state where you are the Karta. As Karta, you have tried to nurture each and every wing and infrastructure of judiciary. In your tenure, judges have seen better days, subordinate judiciary infrastructure has seen better days, and I am sure whatever you have started, we all will carry it forward so that one day very soon when you come back again to us, you will rejoice whatever you started. Madam, we haven't seen many first ladies of High Court getting involved in High Court affairs with the lawyers personally like we have done. I know the pain you have personally taken, and also we rejoice the memories, the way you have treated our, like West Bengal, Bengalis, Bihar. It's not, this is not a state created out to signify the presence of a particular community or particular geographical region. Tripura has got a very, very long history of yoga. The king's clan here had always patronized yogis. It's from them that this name originated. Tripura in Yoga Shastra means Ida and Pingala means the point of wisdom. That's Tripura. Ida and Pingala, plainly speaking, is the inhaling and exhaling breath we have. The moment we carry it inside us and meet the wisdom point. Well, Hindus go to Allahabad for Triveni Sangam, that's Tripura. Everywhere we have Tripura, inside the body also we have Tripura, but to symbolize that tri-meeting point of your life force and wisdom, beneath Tripura. Once you come to Tripura, you are wise enough to say that I don't come, I don't go. So once you have come here, you are never going out from here. And Lordship, even yesterday we were just chit-chatting. I had tried to be wiser. And I told him that you don't try to count your 5 months ahead. You are just telling 5 months. Uske baad kahan jaye? I don't never count your 5 months. You don't know on the other end of the road what is kept for you. What new chapter of life is going to open up for you. Lordship, we will not allow you to part from us. So I am not giving any parting note, not with any heavy soul, with very joyous soul. We are telling both of you undertake the new phase of journey with renewed vigor. You miss one thing, the warmth and humidity. You will have lots of blue and less of running space. You don't have a good running space as we can give you in Agartala. We may not have trekking roads, but we have at least motorable roads where you enjoy your every evening. You miss it. And I am very sure you will miss Devara. You will not get anyone like him who will take your beginnings everything. Lordship, I can tell you one thing on this point. We will ever remain grateful to both of you for reasons more than one. I've got other speakers to follow me. I just say, we never give you any farewell. It's always fair and it's always healthy. We never bid you anything. You are on your new path of life's journey. All of us will unitedly pray for you. We'll keep on unitedly pray for you. Ask for the best of the duas so that your future life is as flowery as it is today. Thank you so very much. Thank you.
My Lord, Honorable Chief Justice, wrote each other and the memory that both we have, keep it goodbye to His Lordship, the Honorable Mr. Qureshi, Bengali, members of the Bar Association, and yes, and Lord, Honorable Sister Pradhan,
Subscribe to Tripura Info and press the bell icon so that you never miss any latest updates and news on Tripura.